Hello everyone. Today I'm back with another video that is on CDS, Combined Defense Services. Before I start my video, I would like to emphasize once those who have not seen my previous video in which I have discussed about various types of entries through which a person can become an armed forces officer. Those who have not seen, I request please go and visit my previous video. It might help you in understanding various types of entries. Coming back to today's video, CDS is going to be uh, is conducted by UPSC, and it is conducted twice a year. And you guys must wake up, as tomorrow is the last day to fill this exam. That is 25th of August. Now the date of exam is 8th of November 2020, and likely result date would be in January 2021. Total of 215 vacancies are proposed by the government this year, for which 4 lakh candidates would appear. The age limit for Army, Air Force, Navy is 19 to 24, where 24 is the upper limit and 19 is the lower limit. And for OTA it is 19 to 25. The point to note here is those who are appearing for the first time, they must understand that 24 is not the age when you should fill this exam. You should be 24 by the time you are through with the selection process and you are joining the forces. I hope this I'm clear here. Now moving on, the educational qualification for different wings of armed forces. For Army, a person should be a graduate or waiting for the final year and final semester examination, and graduation should be from a recognized university. For Navy, a person should be bachelor's in engineering, and for Air Force, any graduation, any type of graduation would be fine, but mathematics and physics are necessary in 12th standard. Now moving on, the marital status. Now Army, Navy, Air Force are very particular about it. For male category in Army, person should be unmarried, and for female, it can be either unmarried, widow, or divorcee. For Navy, it is strictly unmarried, and for Air Force, both are eligible, that is, married and unmarried. Now moving on, few details about the written test. This exam is going to be conducted in 3 different parts, which is English, GK, and elementary mathematics. Each exam would carry 100 marks, and each will take 2 hours to complete the examination. For OT candidates, only 2 exams are conducted, that is English and GK, which means mathematics is not included in their syllabus. Now, there's going to be negative marking as well, which means for every right answer you get 1 marks, and for every wrong answer there'll be like minus 1/3 mark, which means 1/3 mark will be deducted from your scorecard for every wrong attempt. Now these are few details about examination. Now once a person clears CDS examination, he or she will be called for SSB, which is Service Selection Board. Now this SSB is all through a different process, for which I'll make another video. And if you're liking this content which I'm making, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends as well, so that others can also get benefited out of it. And in this video, if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section below so that I can reply as soon as possible.